The border between the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and Iraq stretches a colossal 560 miles. The vast majority of this area is barren desert, making it extremely difficult to police efficiently. Physical barriers such as fences do offer some protection against illegal border crossing, but these are by no means impenetrable to the more dedicated drug dealer, weapons smuggler, or terrorist. A small fleet of specially equipped Skyship 600 airships, armed with infrared cameras and powerful radar, would, however, effectively lay down an invisible electronic barrier that would prevent any illegal crossing from going unnoticed. Surveillance tests carried out by the US Navy concluded that, from an altitude of 2,000 feet, the sensory systems aboard each airship had a radar diameter of up to 100 miles. This means that by deploying these craft at carefully spaced intersections, it would be possible to continually scan the entire Saudi Arabian border.
If we can see something occurring or something that looks suspicious, then obviously the opportunity is there to prevent it.
You can have personnel talking to vehicles on the ground, to personnel on the ground who can intercept the bad guys.
When an insurgent is detected, their activity and location could be precisely tracked from the air, with this information continually relayed to allow for a ground-based interception by security forces. But the Skyship's uses are not merely confined to border maintenance. These unparalleled low-noise surveillance platforms can also be utilized for patrolling the Saudi coasts, as well as the kingdom's many oil fields and pipeline systems. In the United States, airships are already being effectively deployed for crowd control and security risk assessment. Skyships can survey traffic flow or follow high-speed pursuits. They can monitor large sporting events or help maintain public safety during the Hajj. Skyships also provide advertising opportunities, with cutting-edge LED video monitors along the side of the vehicle providing dynamic moving images. Flights can also be used for tourism or state visits, with the Skyship's gondolas providing luxurious airborne trips to the country's many regions of beauty and interest. The main advantages that the Skyship 600 airships have over other alternative airborne surveillance systems, such as conventional fixed-wing aircraft or helicopters, are numerous. The Skyship 600 can remain airborne for over 50 hours without the need for refueling, and can cruise at 30 knots while only consuming an unbelievably economic 8 gallons of fuel an hour. The Skyship is also durable and safe. During recent tests by the British Ministry of Defence, hundreds of rounds of ammunition were fired into an airship. The effect on the airborne craft was negligible due to the low pressure of the helium lifting gas used in the balloon. Despite being peppered with bullets, the Skyship merely descended slowly to a safe landing. And in the unlikely event of both Skyship's Porsche engines failing, the airship would merely free balloon, the trained pilots gently guiding the craft to the ground as if it were a balloon. In all, the Skyship 600 airship program is comprehensive, economical, and reliable. A graceful guide for tourists and dignitaries alike, as well as a comprehensive surveillance solution that bolsters national security and provides peace of mind.